New documentary.
Wait, let me have that mic bust down.
She's getting ready to jump on Antonio in a dress. And we're walking. Hold on. I see up your skirt. Go.
He's awake.
So go.
Hey, come here, bro. Oh, hey, bro. I can't do it.
Hello. You can't just go halfway and not fill the
Wait till he's sleeping.
That is what you call a failed attempt.
No, I gotta wait till he's sleeping. Wait till he's sleeping. Yes, he is.
When he's sleeping. It's funny when he's awake because you get a reaction. Okay, I found my comment.
We will be back very shortly. And